Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you my Mother's Day gift. So, it's an Apple Pencil USB-C and it comes with this cute card that was handwritten by my daughter. Nowadays, where everything is just via text, SMS, or messenger or other messaging apps, it's really important for me to receive handwritten notes or cards from my daughter, especially at her age, because it's not very common. So I'm really glad, and it's like, can you see how cute the doodles are? So the main gift, of course, is this, but the card is the highlight of it, of course. So this is the Mother's Day gift that I received from them. It's an Apple Pencil USB-C. It was actually I already had a previous Apple Pencil, but it was the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen because I just loved how it charged magnetically. So let's see, look at the box. It's pretty straightforward, the little standard logo, etc. But since it's not available right now, the 2nd Gen, this one was the one that they chose for my gift, which is going to step in as my new everyday tool. Let's open it now. There you go. You just slide it like that. It's the standard design by Apple in California. Classic Apple packaging, very clean, minimal. And inside, we've got the pencil itself, and that's pretty much it. Simple and straightforward. And I'm pretty sure here is the manual in different languages. And here is the pencil itself. Design-wise, it looks very similar to the 2nd Gen. It's slim, white, and lightweight. But the first difference is that instead of snapping it onto the iPad to charge, this one uses a USB port. USB-C actually. That means I'll need a cable, but it also means that it's going to be more compatible across different iPads. For the features, I think it still has the same smooth and precise writing capabilities. It's going to be perfect for my notes because I use it for writing during meetings because I use my iPad. So it's going to be very useful and I'm actually excited to use it. Another difference is that the 2nd Gen had that magnetic attachment and double tap gesture. This one skips those functions, but of course it still keeps the essentials. And finally, because it doesn't have all those extra features, the price, and compared to the 2nd Gen, I think is this one is more affordable, which makes it a practical replacement because my 2nd Gen was lost. Because I think the downside of that is because you just attach it magnetically sometimes, and that's what happened to me. You can accidentally drop it. So my iPad has this kind of casing. I used to put it here. So the problem with my old one is that when it's in my bag or I'm outside, I can lose it. So that's what happened. But now this one, I think I can just use it. Put it here temporarily, but then I can also just put it more safer. The main difference of this is charged via USB-C. I'll show you how it is charged. So this is where the charging port is. It's easier for me because all my other devices are using the same charger, so there's nothing for me to really change. So you just plug it in like that and then you charge it. It's pretty much how you charge your AirPods or your iPad or your phone. Then maybe let me see how to connect it or pair it rather to your device. So there. Let's see. There, it's connected. And then you can start using it. So notes. So that's pretty much it. Pair and use it. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Ginagawa mo.